Thousands of parts, one missing mark. That's a compliance nightmare. Introducing the Shubham Ventures tabletop dot pin marking machine. Compact, powerful and built for precision. With a generous marking area of 250 by 250 mm, this machine is ready for your workshop floor. Whether it's serial number, barcode, logos or part codes, this machine peens it perfectly every single time. Easy controlled, easy to operate and built for high productivity. Deep permanent mark on engineering parts, bearing, flanges, small round pipe, serial number nameplate, CNG testing nameplate and air compressor nameplate. Look at that mark. Deep, clean and permanent. No ink, no labels and no fading ever. This is the quality your production line deserves. Trusted by manufacturers across India, Shubham Ventures delivers machines which are reliable, affordable and backed by real after-sales support. Because we just don't sell machines, we build a long-term partnership. Interested? Just drop us a message on WhatsApp and we will send you a detailed demo video. See the machine in the action right on your phone, anywhere, anytime. Shubham Ventures, the complete marking solution.